friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to take you on a tour of my personal office here at my business, just my space, because I made some changes for the new year. I wanted to bring more function to the space, and although I did love the glass L-shaped desk that I had in there, I did not like the fact that it was a barrier between me and my team when we met in there, or anyone who was in my office. We had that barrier, and I wanted a more open work environment, along with giving myself a variety of spaces to work in my own office. So let me take you on a tour. I love the fact that I have a work table to work at. I have a meeting table to meet with my team. I also have my desk, which this was the desk that I had in my house at home, and so I kind of switched things out and it just functions so much better. So friends, the highlight has been this table. I love having this workspace and having a multiple workspace between my desk over there and having the table here, and so I can come and kind of look at my schedule in the morning, have my coffee, work on things throughout the day, meet with team members. We kind of have a little mini conference table in the office now. And this table is the one that was in my home, upstairs in my woman cave. And by the way, I'm nasally because my allergies, so I apologize for that. But the table no longer had a place at my home because I got a larger one, which was a better fit for me. So it was perfect to move this over here, and adding the office chairs really works. So friends, of course, Charlie has joined me in my office now. He used to be in the lobby. He's hanging on. We have a few little brown spots. You all know I'm not a plant person, but I'm trying to take good care of him. And so I needed some green in my office, so he's in here. And I think we have another table because now we have an intern that's going to be using the desk out there. So it kind of, took Charlie's home. So we really don't have a room to put a plant out there now, but he's doing better in here maybe. I don't know, we'll see. So these are two prints that I got from Hobby Lobby. You might have seen these before, but I love them. It's just a beautiful, it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope and a future," Jeremiah 29:11. And I love the fact of putting inspiration around my office throughout the day. I can see it. And then it's just it's just a nice look on this large white wall here. Friends, you might remember that I had this cabinet on the other side of the room. So basically, this is where my desk used to be, the glass desk used to be. But now I put the cabinet on this side of the room. And I actually like it a lot better over here. And this houses some of my binders and books and just decor and my InStyle box there and just all the little tidbits there. And then I also have, I'll tell you a little secret if you come closer. So this is just a pretty jar, and this is where I tuck away my snacks so that when I get hungry throughout the day, I can come here and kind of pull snacks out. And it's just really great because I can hide it, but when I'm hungry, I can easily get to it. And then down here is where I keep my books. I call it my Hall of Fame because these are books that all of my friends have written, and so I have them here because they're very special to me and they're inspiration for me, so I have them tucked away down there. And then I also have my binders here, so they have a place and I can easily see them and get to them. Just more storage decor. And what you will notice about my space in this cabinet is it's all really decor plus storage. So I have baskets so that I can store things. I have my snack bin here. I have these two little jars because although they're beautiful, they also give me function to give me a place to put things. Along with the baskets at the bottom, I have more books, and then I have all of my different planners and notebooks and things like that. And then right here I have a little IKEA unit here, which gives me plenty of storage here, and I'm going to do a specific organization video on this, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then I keep my handbag behind there, and I've transitioned my inbox to right here because I used to have an inbox on my desk, which I really didn't enjoy looking at all the time, but I feel like this is going to be a better system for me, so I have my hanging file as my inbox system currently. Then I have my writing boards here. These came from IKEA, and I shared these with you before in another video, but they're really useful. I kind of cleared them off so I didn't kind of just have my stuff up there, but I really love having these in here. They're very budget friendly and they have a lot of function. And so I do keep my work bag right here on the floor next to my desk, and usually come in and drop it right there. And I plan on doing a morning work routine video too, so I think that'll be a lot of fun to share. So look for that coming soon also. Okay, and so here is my working desk. This is a desk that I work from, and you might remember this one from the house. So this is the one that I switched out, like I said, from my home to here. So it's working out great. Also with the monitor, because this is where I'm at all the time. Realistically, friends, when I go home, I don't work from my desk, and I don't really try to work. So it's really more, it makes more sense for me to have it here. I just recently got this to help with the sound of my videos, kind of buffer, because it does echo a little bit in here. So I do tend to use this with my mic, and my mic is not here in my office right now. Is because we've been kind of Brianna and I have been doing any voiceovers in her office, so I kind of transition over there. Of course, coffee is a must, and I always use a notebook as my mouse pad. You all know that about me. And keeping it basic on here, just Amelia on my desk, a little lamp, and I have, yes, another real plant. Can you guys believe this? And I've had that one, I want to say, for a couple months, and it's still green, and I'm so shocked. Amazing. But it is living, so I'm gonna say a prayer on that one. But friends, this is the desk. So as you can see, really it's a lot more function for me, and I'm so much happier in here. I really like it. And then above my desk here, I have my Chase Your Dreams sign, and I love being able to look at every day and keep that as my motivation. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed seeing a tour of my office, my new setup here. I apologize for my voice, and hopefully these allergies will go away soon. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the family, so please click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please like it. It helps me determine, kind of what you're wanting to see from me. So have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye. Wanting to see from me. So have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki.